Hello Biotecnikans. All the while we have been saying this that your success is our achievement. But now we are happily saying this that our success is what you all have helped us to achieve. Yes, you heard it right. And this time we owe you this for the grand opening of Biotecnika Prime. Biotecnika is working hard since 12 years to help the biotech community in every possible way we could. And this time again we have identified one but the most prominent problem which every researcher faces when an idea forms a shape. We have been brainstorming and experimenting since months, and by all these efforts we have come up with Biotecnika Prime, where you can find all your research requirements under one roof. Biotecnika Prime is one-stop solution for all your requirements, where you can browse through a vast catalog of products and you can get the best price with secure and guaranteed delivery time. And guess what? In the very first month of its launch, Biotecnika Prime has become the most searched and viewed website for ordering lab materials. So let's have a look at some interesting facts and figures about Biotecnika Prime. In the very first month of its launch, Biotecnika Prime got a big family of 200 plus purchase orders and inquiries across the country. We were able to serve these orders from our offices stationed in Kolkata, Bengaluru, Chennai, Noida and Pune. Biotecnika Prime is already working with more than 10 international and Indian universities for the upliftment of research, and this list goes on and on and on. In the very first month, we got 169 orders from various scientific institutions. Without the humongous support from you all, Biotecnika Prime would not have achieved this early success. We thank you all for making Biotecnika Prime a big success, because we worked meticulously to make this happen, and it is our responsibility to help every researcher out there. Because your research is our responsibility and we have made this as our sole vow. Anuj Khurana, Team Biotecnika.